Welcome back to our ultimate walking tour of Croatia. In part 2, we travel to central Dalmatia to discover a city built inside a Roman palace and an island famous for its sun and stone. Split is a unique living museum. Here, modern life thrives within the 1,700-year-old walls of Diocletian's palace, a retirement home for a Roman emperor. The peristyle was the heart of the palace. Today, it remains the city's social hub, where ancient history meets the vibrant energy of the present. Every stone here tells a story, from the Roman craftsmanship to the later medieval additions that make Split truly one of a kind. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now, let's head underground. Descending into the palace cellars, we find perfectly preserved Roman architecture that once mirrored the emperor's apartments above. The vestibule was the formal entrance to the residential quarters. Its unique circular design creates echoes that are still filled with song today. Split is full of surprises, like the narrowest street in the city, aptly named Let Me Pass, where two people can barely walk side by side. Just outside the palace walls, a rub of the golden toe on the statue of Gregory of Nin is said to bring good luck to any traveler. The Riva is the city's living room. It's the perfect place to experience the Dalmatian philosophy of taking it slow and enjoying the view. For the best perspective, a short walk up Marjan Hill reveals the entire city and the stunning coastal landscape that surrounds it. Leaving the mainland behind, we set sail for Hvar, the sunniest island in the Mediterranean and a jewel of Venetian elegance. Arriving in Hvar town is like entering a postcard. The town is a masterpiece of stone architecture, framed by a sparkling harbor. The piazza is one of the largest squares in Dalmatia, connecting the sea to the historic cathedral of St. Stephen at its head. The arsenal once repaired Venetian galleys, but above it sits the oldest public theater in Europe, established in 1612. The walk up to the Spanish fortress winds through fragrant gardens, offering glimpses of the town through the pine trees. From the ramparts of Fortica, the view is simply unparalleled. A sea of red roofs meets the deep blue of the Paklani Islands. Away from the bustle of the harbor, the Franciscan monastery offers a moment of serenity in its centuries-old garden and quiet cloisters. As the sun sets, Hvar takes on a golden glow, reminding us why it has been a sought-after destination for centuries. Even the quieter corners of the island, like Stari Grad, hold treasures of Renaissance history waiting to be discovered by those who walk their paths. Our journey is almost complete. Join us in the final part of our series as we head north to the breathtaking waterfalls of Plitvice Lakes and the hilltop towns of Istria. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in part 3.